What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best heavy-duty commercial blender you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Taikuga heavy-duty commercial blender. Let's get started. Product feature. Features a massive 2200-watt motor that provides incredible strength to tackle the toughest ingredients with total ease. Whether it's crushing ice, frozen fruits, or hard nuts, this blender transforms everything into a smooth, consistent texture effortlessly. Designed for global flexibility, it operates on both 110-volt and 220-volt power, making it a reliable companion in any kitchen setup. Engineered with heavy-duty construction for longevity, it's built to withstand the demands of busy cafes and large households alike. Beyond smoothies, it prepares juices, purees, and even grinds grains into fine flour, making it a truly versatile culinary tool. The precision motor ensures ingredients are blended quickly, helping to retain the natural flavors and essential nutrients of your food. While it's powerful and compact, the straightforward operation allows anyone to create complex recipes without any unnecessary hassle. Pros: imagine having the power of a professional kitchen right on your countertop. This blender makes healthy living feel effortless, turning tough greens and frozen fruits into silky treats for your family. It's incredibly reliable, saving you time during busy mornings while giving you the confidence to try new, complex recipes you once thought were too difficult to master. Cons: because of that massive 2200-watt motor, you might find it a bit louder than your average small kitchen gadget. Also, its heavy-duty build means it's quite solid, so you'll want to find a permanent spot for it on your counter rather than moving it around frequently. However, these are small trade-offs for such professional performance. Final thoughts. Bringing this into your home feels like an investment in your well-being and creativity. It's more than just an appliance. It's a dependable partner that helps you nourish your loved ones with fresh, homemade flavors. You deserve a tool that works as hard as you do, providing consistent results that make every meal feel special. It truly brings a touch of professional magic to your daily routine. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Check the price link in the description to see how you can get one. Subscribe to Dudes Tech and like this video if you found this helpful. We can't wait to see what you'll create next.